So my lovely viewers all over the world, welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money online. Okay, today I'm so excited because I always come with a legit way to make money. Okay, if you hear me talking about airdrop, don't skip it. Okay, make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end, because the knowledge you are going to get from this video, it will make you a millionaire in 2024. Okay, let me tell you, let me say it again. The knowledge that you are going to get today in this particular video will make you a millionaire in 2024. Just go and mark my word. Okay, I'm the kind of person that once I keep talking about something, it simply means that I see something in that make me keep talking about it. Okay, like let me tell you, do you know Afriq Arbitrage System? Have you heard about Afriq Arbitrage System? I've been an investor in since January 2023, this year, since January to date, and I'm proud to say that I'm one of the Spartan on Afriq Arbitrage System. And this Afriq Arbitrage System, this is where I talked about it. If you check this video, okay, an unbelievable arbitrage system. Okay, if you check that video, I talked about it. If you come to this place also when they have problem with Abayomi, and I have been talking about Afriq Arbitrage System even when they have problem. Okay, and after having that problem, the platform still bounce back. After having problem, it still bounce back and is back now and better. Okay, I keep talking about Afriq Arbitrage System here. I keep talking about Afriq Arbitrage System here. If you go up, I'm still talking about Afriq Arbitrage System here. If you still go up, I'm still talking about Afriq Arbitrage System here. If you come here too, I'm still talking about Afriq Arbitrage System. Let me tell you, I talk about Afriq Arbitrage System. Even if in this video I still talk about Afriq Arbitrage System. The reason why I keep talking about this website is because I know that this website is going to make a lot of people millionaire in 2023. And now the sweet part of it is that the reason why I keep talking about this website is because of the genuinity. Okay, so you should come and watch these videos so that you understand what Afriq Arbitrage System is all about. My joy today is that they are working on their token. Okay, and this token I laugh again, this token is going to make a lot of people millionaire in 2024. Go and mark my word. Okay, Afriq Arbitrage System token, that's AAS, Afriq Arbitrage System token, is going to make a lot of people millionaire. Go and mark my word. There will come a time that you will say that, had it been that I listened to this guy, this Online Money Hunter, when he was talking about Afriq Arbitrage System, had it been that I listened to him and invested or participate on that Afriq Arbitrage System, that's what I'm saying right now. Okay, don't be the kind of person that we say had I know. I want you right now, I want you to start right now. Come to Afriq Arbitrage System Telegram channel. Okay, listen to what they are doing, and we are going to do everything. I'm going to drop their link. Okay, their Telegram link, I'm going to drop it in the description, and I'm also going to drop my referral link in the description also. So if you want to join, you can join. Okay, like if you are in right now, you are going to thank me later. Let me just put it that way. I don't want to talk too much in this platform. We are going to go to their Telegram channel where I will show you their roadmap for you to know what Jason Michael, who is the CEO, is cooking for the poor masses. Okay, everybody is going to make a lot of money. This is the first in history of African. Okay, this token is going to make a lot of waves. Beta testing. And you know, since that time till now, this Afriq Arbitrage System have been making a lot of people a lot of money. Okay, it have been making a lot of people a lot of money. So we are going to go through their roadmap now. For this AAS token is out right now. Okay, it's out right now, and I'm going to show you everything one after the other so that you will understand that this man mean well for everyone. Okay, this man mean well for everyone, and I want you guys, please, even if you don't love listening or watching my video, please watch this video. Please, I'm begging you. This website is going to make a lot of, this man is going to make a lot of people millionaire. Okay, so let's go. Let me show you everything. You know, I love showing you guys everything the way it is. So we are going to their Telegram channel right now. Okay, so that I will show you their white paper so that you can read everything and you will come to understand why I say that you should invest in AAS. Okay, so what are we talking right now? Let me start from this place. This is the official Telegram channel. Okay, so you can see that let me start from this place. This is AAS token. Okay, this is their symbol. So we are going to talk more about the white paper, and the roadmap will be available in 24 hours. Okay, get ready. The pre-sale may not take up to 24 hours to sell up. And when he's talking about this, you think that this is just play. Let me tell you guys, you need to get ready. Get ready, okay? The demand from the investors is too high, okay? One thing I want you to be sure of is this: everyone will be happy when we launch AAS token, and AAS token trading liquidity pool will bounce back to start earning 1.6, the liquidity pool, okay? Because of what Abayomi caused to the system, okay? They go back to 0.35, I think, yes. So if you know what it means to have a trading platform and a token to trade in the same project, you will be celebrating AAS trading platform and AAS token coming on board. You guys are not seeing what I'm saying. If you know what is coming, if you know what is coming, avoid negative comments, okay? So we keep coming, we keep coming. So we come to the roadmap, okay? This is the roadmap and white paper. So I click on the roadmap. Let's just read together. Don't think you are wasting your data. You are not wasting your data. Just follow me so that you understand, because when you understand, then you can make use of what you understand, okay? This is their white paper, okay? So I'm going to make it bold small. So AAS, I'm going to read some, okay? Then I will drop the link in the description below so that you can download it and read it by yourself, okay? I think, or I will drop it in my own Telegram channel where you can go and read it everything so that you understand. I love it when you understand what you are trading with, okay? I will love it where you understand it. So the AAS ecosystem is community powered ecosystem that aim to give people back their freedom and to take control of their finances through 7 key utility, okay? Utility offering: vision, empowering life through financial inclusion, education and community development, addressing hunger, enhancing financial stability, providing education, facilitating digital access, property acquisition, gadgets, procurement, means of payment, e-learning and exchange platform, farming, staking and NFT, okay? Target beneficiary: widows, less privileged individuals, students and local community, okay? And problem statements: challenges, hunger, lack of financial stability. So I will leave this so that you come and read everything. So here we are talking another most important stuff here: token, okay? Tokenomic token market penetration price is 0.3, maximum supply is 10 million, okay? 10 million. Then lock reserve is 20,500,000. Then total supply is 5 million. So you guys should come and read, okay? You guys should come and read. This is everything about this token. You need to come and read the utility and transaction. Utility transaction, you can come and read everything, how everything is, okay? I just saw this right now and I'm so excited, okay? I'm going to read more about this so that I will understand how everything works, okay? I'm going to do more video concerning this, their roadmap, okay? I just want to show you what AAS is cooking for us, okay? So I'm going to come to this, their roadmap. The other one is white paper, so this one is roadmap, okay? So this is the roadmap: token creation, develop and launch the AAS token as an BEP20 utility token on a secure established blockchain network. Community building: begin building the AAS community by engaging with early supports and partner. White paper release: publish a comprehensive white paper outlining the AAS ecosystem mission, vision and the utility offering. Then the second one, the AAS merchandise marketplace: launch the AAS merchandise marketplace, enable users to buy and sell products using AAS. Can you hear what they are saying here? Enable users to buy and sell using AAS token. This is the reason why you need to queue in. This is a Nigerian token. that is going to go viral. Just watch and see. You will say that this guy talk about AAS token maybe weeks ago or 4 months ago or 1 year ago. You will understand the reason why I'm asking you to be part of AAS. Be part, okay? You can invest with just $20 and above. You can invest. So the AAS Tech and Crypto Education Platform launched the AAS University Tech and Crypto Education Platform, offering a wide range of education resources to empower users with knowledge in technology and cryptocurrencies. I love what this guy are doing. I love what he's doing. Okay, you guys might not see what I'm saying right now as the experienced cryptocurrency holder. You guys might not understand what I'm saying here. So the AAS security sovereignty tracking system develop and deploy the AAS security sovereignty tracking system, providing users with enhanced security and tracking capability. Okay, then 3, the AAS solar powered estate. You guys don't know what this guy is cooking for us. The AAS solar powered estate develop and integrate solar power estate into the AAS ecosystem, contribute to sustainable and eco-friendly living. The AAS Crypto Exchange launched the AAS Crypto Exchange, providing a secured and user-friendly platform for cryptocurrency trading. The AAS payment system introduced the AAS payment system, allowing users to make payments and transaction using AAS token. You guys will see what I'm saying very soon. Okay, what they're saying here is that they are going to build estate where you can buy with this AAS token, and they are building it already. Okay, they are building estate powered, solar powered. You can see solar powered estate. Solar powered estate where you can buy building there with your token. If you have token, the way you have your Bitcoin, the way you have USDT, the way you have BNB, if you have AAS, okay, you can go to their estate and buy houses with AAS token. That's what they're saying here. Okay, guys, if you know what I'm saying here, you need to cue in. The AAS transportation system develop and deploy the AAS transportation system, revolutionize the way people travel and commute with the ecosystem. Community governance implement a decentralized government system where AAS token holders have a say in the development and decision making process of the ecosystem. Wow. Integration partnerships, forge strategy partnerships with other projects and platform to expand the usability and adoption of AAS token. Okay, they are going to have their own transportation. All right, and last one, phase 5, research and develop. Continue to invest in research and development to enhance the existing utility offering and introduce new features. Global adoption, focus on global adoption and partnership to make AAS token widely accepted and use a means of exchange, knowledge sharing and sustainable living. Regular updates, provide regular updates to the community regarding ecosystem development, partnership and improvements. The AAS token roadmap outline a comprehensive plan for the token and its ecosystem, focusing on utility and real world application while maintaining a strong community driven approach. It aims to empower users with knowledge, financially control and freedom while promoting sustainability and eco-friendly living. Guys, I don't need to talk too much. Come and get this roadmap. Okay, come and get the white paper and the roadmap. So let's listen to what the investors, what they are saying, okay, for you to know whether what he's saying here, that it won't even last more than 24 hours before the token will be, the pre-sale will be sold off. So let's listen to what the community have to say. Wow, the token will be massive. It will loud gam. Okay, so it is like token beta tester we get it the cheapest and then we go to the moon. So will the pre-sale be 30 cents per token? So this is question people asking. I can't wait to hold my AAS coin. When is the launch date? Thank you. Okay, thanks, sir. May God bless you. Okay, it was said that yes, but how many token will be available for the pre-sale? It means we will enjoy double happiness. AAS token 1.65% coming back. AAS token pre-sale next 24 hours. I love the tokenomics. That is how you detect the genuine projects. Okay, so guys, I want you guys to learn AAS token. Where the okay? So you can see what people are saying here. This is to show you that this won't even last more than 24 hours before the pre-sale will be sold off. First in history. Guys, 2024, hope big is coming, dream is coming. AAS. I don't need to shout, guys. I don't need to shout. You need to join AAS right now, okay? You need to join AAS right now so that you will understand what we are doing right here, okay? Just come here and see what they are saying. Just come here and see what they are saying. That's to tell you that you need to be inside. You need to be inside. Just come here. I'm going to drop the link. I'm going to drop every necessary link that you need for you to be part of this airdrop, this pre-sale, okay? For you to be part of this pre-sale, because this pre-sale is going to be massive. Where are the naysayers? This is Mike. I am thanking you in advance for all you are doing and all your way stay do for us. This is massive, okay? This is massive. So guys, I want you to learn, okay? Learn. Come to this my YouTube, learn all the videos, okay? Watch all the videos that I keep dropping here so that you will understand what we are doing here, okay? The link to register and fund your account at AAS and fund your account with AAS is here, okay? So come and register. The link is in the description. So guys, I love you guys. That's why I keep giving you update that will help your future. Don't think about what is happening now. You are going to be the one to help your family. You are going to be that wealth that your family have been talking about for years. I'm talking to you. You are going to be that wealth. Okay? Don't think about the situation you are in right now. You are going to be that help that everybody in your community will be coming for. So guys, I love you guys and see you at the top. Keep watching my video. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and make sure you join our social media like TikTok. You can join our TikTok. You can join our Telegram. You can join our WhatsApp group where I show you more way to make money. Okay? See you at the top, guys.